You want to change your life. That's why you're here. That's why you're listening. Because something inside you knows you're capable of more. More discipline, more control, more purpose. You weren't born to scroll endlessly, to procrastinate your dreams, or to settle for average. You were born to build something greater. But somewhere along the way, you forgot that. You got distracted. You started chasing quick hits of pleasure instead of long-term progress. You started believing the lie that comfort is happiness, that if you just wait long enough, life will somehow fix itself, but it won't. Life doesn't reward the comfortable, it rewards the focused, the disciplined, the relentless. Every time you choose distraction over discipline, you trade your future for a few seconds of relief. Every time you say, I'll do it tomorrow, you're pushing your potential one day further away. And how many times have you done that already? You say you want to change, then act like it, speak like it, move like it. Change doesn't come from wishing, it comes from deciding. The people you admire, the ones living the life you want, they don't have more talent or luck or time. They just stop negotiating with their excuses. They stopped waiting to feel like it, and they started showing up anyway. Discipline is not a feeling, it's a decision. It's doing what you said you would do long after the mood you set it in is gone. Some days you won't be motivated, that's okay. Motivation is temporary, discipline is permanent. So how do you stay focused? You remind yourself of who you want to become. You remind yourself that distractions are thieves of time, energy, and opportunity. And you stop letting them rob you. You turn off the noise. You shut the door. You look at your goals. You really look at them, and you ask yourself, am I doing what it takes to make this real? Because nothing changes if nothing changes. Your goals don't care how tired you are. Your future doesn't care if you're in the mood. It's waiting, but it won't wait forever. You want to be strong, then do the hard things, right? Especially when you don't want to. You want to be successful, then stay consistent. And especially when progress feels slow, you want to be focused, then train your mind every day, just like you train your body. This is your reminder. You are capable of extreme focus. You are capable of building unshakable discipline. You are capable of becoming the kind of person who does not break under pressure, but grows through it. Every great achievement starts with one decision: to stop running, to stop hiding, to stop blaming, and to start with 10 minutes of pure focus today, then build it into 20, then into a habit, then into a lifestyle. Before you know it, you'll look back and realize you're living the life you once only imagined, all because you chose to stop drifting and you chose to focus. You don't get what you wish for, you get what you work for. So get up, get clear, get focused, and go build it.